only way he's invited is from the altar of sacrifice and from the womb of prayers. He can't show up. The only legal entrance point for anybody to come to the planet Earth is from the womb of a woman. And for God to show up, we need to give him permission. That's why God is everywhere, but he does not manifest everywhere. We have to invite him and say, come, this is what we want to do. If we don't tell him, he doesn't have the right. Understand this. So they say, oh, why will God allow this to happen? No, because it's in our hand. He said we have to band it for him to band it. We have to lose it for him to lose it. You wake up in the morning or at midnight you don't wake up to pray. And the enemy already projected that there will be accidents or there will be shootings in the school tomorrow. You didn't do anything last night. Only the enemy has programmed. And it's the programming of the enemy that will stay. The Bible says, have you commanded the morning? Psalm 121:6-7. It said, the sun shall not smite me by day, neither the moon by night. It means a man who understands times and seasons, how they operate. You wake up at midnight and say, in the name of Jesus. After worshiping him.
God can do nothing for humanity until somebody prays. It is illegal. Please hear me. It is illegal and it is unlawful for God to act among humanity without intercession. Now the reason is because he gave the earth to man, and man through high treason gave it to Satan. So Satan, 2 Corinthians 4:4, is the God of this world. That explains all the mess going on. That's why you have atheists, people who don't believe in God.